I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select a Trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Now here, search and select Smaily. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get the subdomain name, go to the Smaily dashboard. Click the profile name on the top right corner, then click Preferences. Now copy the subdomain name. Paste it here. To get API username and password, click on Smaily API token. Click on Create a new user. Now copy the username. Paste it here. Now copy the user password. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Smaily. Click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Now go to the Smaily subscribers page and scroll down. Click All subscribers. Here is the data that came into Smaily through the integration. Thanks for watching.